Hi everyone, Gene here with MasterGraphics, and today I'd like to do another 2-Minute Tuesday by introducing the UltiMaker PVA Removing Station. In the past, to remove the PVA support material, which is water soluble from UltiMaker, you would put this in a bucket of water, and it would take up to probably a day to totally dissolve all the PVA support material. Well, with the new PVA removing station, basically it comes in 3 parts. You fill the container here with water up to the fill line, and you place it on the stand. We would open up the basket, we place the part in the water, close the basket, put on the lid. Once the part's placed in the PVA removing station, you simply hit the on button, hit the fan, and it'll oscillate the water around the part, making the PVA dissolve quicker. In a few minutes, we'll have a clean part. It's been about 45 minutes now, and we can take our parts out. So to do that, we turn the machine off. We pull off the lid. We raise the basket, and if you turn it 90 degrees, it's got a little ledge, so it won't drip on the counter. We can open it up, and you can see all of the PVA filament has dissolved, leaving us a nice clean part where the support material used to be. If you have any questions on the PVA removal station, please give us a call at 1-800-873-7238. Thanks, and have a great day.